Nike Run Club versus Strava versus Runkeeper 2025. Which running app is best? Most people get running apps wrong by thinking they all do the same thing. In 2025, Nike Run Club, Strava and Runkeeper offer unique features that cater to different types of runners. Nike Run Club is ideal for guided workouts, coaching, and motivation. You won't believe what happens next. It tracks pace, distance, and heart rate while offering personalized coaching plans. It's perfect for beginners and those who want a structured training experience. Strava, on the other hand, focuses on social engagement. The surprising truth is its segment challenges and leaderboards let you compete with friends or runners worldwide. Strava also supports multiple activities like cycling and swimming, making it ideal for multi-sport enthusiasts. Runkeeper offers a balance between tracking and coaching. It provides personalized training plans, goal tracking, and detailed metrics. Its interface is simple, making it easy for casual runners to log runs and see progress over time. In terms of integrations, Strava connects with wearables and other apps extensively. Nike Run Club works seamlessly with Apple Health and select devices, and Runkeeper offers decent compatibility with GPS watches and fitness trackers. In conclusion, if you want guided coaching and motivation, choose Nike Run Club. If social features and competitive tracking matter most, Strava is your best bet. For a simple yet effective mix of tracking and coaching, Runkeeper fits perfectly. In 2025, your choice depends on your running style, goals, and how you like to stay engaged.